Hi guys. So some of you guys asked me what we're going to do tomorrow. So I put this little video together for you so you can kind of see. It's real quick. It's going to take you right through some of what we're going to see tomorrow. So tomorrow we're going to create an account. So today, you created person records. And so tomorrow we're going to take a look at how to create an account from the person records you created today. And we're also going to go on and create an account from scratch. But first, I just simply want to show you how we create an account from a person record. So in CCNB, as you know, CCNB is made up of notebooks, tabs, and zones. So when you are in CCNB and you are ready to locate your customer, remember to, you're in Control Central. Remember to enter the name, last name, comma, hit the space bar, and then type the first name. Underneath there, you're going to see an address field, but then you'll see something that says CIS division. There, you'll see a drop down. I want you to click that drop down. You'll see a empty space and then you'll see a name. I want you to click the empty space. Once you do that, that clears everything here. Underneath there, you'll see your search button. And so you'll click search at that point. Once you do that, you'll have your customer come up in the Control Center notebook. And to the far right, that's where our dashboard is. So in the dashboard, you'll see the current contacts zone. And there you're going to see the current contacts menu. And then you'll see a little blue person. We call it the blue guy. Once you see that, that plus you'll see the top of the notebook, which will then say person. Once you click the blue guy, you'll go into the person notebook. Okay. Once you've done that, all you need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see add account and start service. There'll be a little bitty box next to it. All you need to do is click that box. It'll put a check mark there. Go back up to the top. You'll see your 4 buttons here. The third button is your save button. Click that save button. Once you've done that, you've created an account and you should see it here. You'll then see another contacts menu with a little folder, and you'll know that your account has been created. Okay, that's just real simple, real quick. We'll go through it again tomorrow and we'll talk in more detail about creating an account from scratch. Anyway, I wanted to just give you that little bit of information, and we will see you guys on tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.